Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Elizabeth.
Hi.
I am a hobbyist seamstress from Australia. Today I'm going to show you a technique that I only just learned. This technique should hopefully allow you to be able to rip your seams if you make a mistake in your sewing. Very fast, very easy, and with no damage to your project that you're working on. Now, I myself always used to use the sharp pointy point on the seam ripper to rip the seam, but I was using it backwards all this time. So let me show you what I mean by that. So you'll notice on the seam ripper here, you've got the sharp point and the other point with the little ball. When I first used a seam ripper, I thought the little ball comes off, and I tried to pull it off, but no, we don't do that. We need the little ball. It's going to help us. So you can unpick the seam from the outside here, but that's going to take a long time, and the method I'm going to be showing here is very fast. So you want to take the sharp point on the seam ripper, and you want to very, very carefully pick only one stitch with that. That should sufficiently loosen your stitches. Give it a light tug, and then what we're going to do is take the ball tip of the seam ripper and put that side with the ball inside your seam, and you can safely just rip up your seam without worrying about making any tears in your fabric. My name's Elizabeth, or Liz, and I run this channel where I log my sewing progress. I don't monetize my videos. I'm simply here to share my experience and journey in learning to sew, and I really do hope to make some friends in the sewing community.